stalls. Carrara Markets, situated on the Gold Coast, Queensland, stands as Australia's largest permanent weekend marketplace. Spanning 24 acres, Carrara Markets hosts over 400 stalls offering a diverse range of products, from fresh produce and fashion to homewares and unique crafts. Beyond shopping, the markets provide family-friendly entertainment, including pony rides, a baby animal farm, bungee trampolines, and face painting. Over the years, Carrara Markets has maintained its charm and continues to be a vibrant destination for both locals and visitors seeking a unique market experience on the Gold Coast. Visitors can explore a vast array of stalls offering fashion, accessories, homewares, decor, arts and crafts, handmade goods, original art, and craft supplies. Kangaroo Cat has become an iconic photo opportunity and a must-see for those exploring Carrara Markets, adding to the vibrant and family-friendly atmosphere of this popular destination. Guinea's Farms is a cherished, family-run stall located at M9 within the vibrant Carrara Markets on the Gold Coast. Renowned for offering fresh, affordable, and locally sourced produce, Guinea's Farms supplies the community with a variety of fruits and vegetables. Their commitment to quality and affordability is evident in their regular weekend specials. Carrara Markets offers a unique shopping experience that caters to a wide range of interests. Whether you're looking for fresh produce, unique gifts, or a fun day out with the family, Carrara Markets is a must-visit destination on the Gold Coast. Beyond shopping, Carrara Markets provides numerous activities for families and children. Attractions include pony rides, a baby animal farm, bungee trampolines, face painting, and the themed Carrara mini golf with both indoor and outdoor courses. The markets boast over 15 dine-in cafes and food stalls, offering a range of cuisines from hearty Australian breakfasts to international dishes like Japanese crepes and South American churros. This variety ensures that visitors have ample choices to satisfy their culinary preferences. Explore over 300 stalls offering a variety of products, including fresh produce, fashion, homewares, arts and crafts, and more. With over 15 dine-in cafes, visitors can enjoy a range of cuisines, from hearty Australian breakfasts to international dishes like Japanese crepes and South American churros. Enjoy themed indoor and outdoor mini-golf courses suitable for all ages. Experience the fun of a permanent indoor roller skating rink, offering general sessions every weekend. Engage in various activities such as pony rides, a baby animal farm, bungee trampolines, and face painting, making it an ideal spot for families. Easy Decking at Carrara Markets is a premier destination for high-quality artificial grass, composite decking, and outdoor living solutions. The store is open daily from 7:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Easy Decking provides a diverse range of artificial grass products suitable for various applications. Gold Coast 40mm premium artificial grass, available in widths of 2m, 2.5m, 3m, 4m, and 5m. This turf features a blend of 4 colors, offering a realistic and lush appearance. Tweed 25mm premium artificial grass. This 25mm pile height turf comes in 2m and 4m widths, providing a soft and natural feel. Cool Whitescape artificial turf. Designed for cooler climates, this turf is available in 2m, 3m, and 5m widths, ideal for shaded areas or cooler regions.